All right, welcome in. So, got your spring market update for Central Ohio. Some areas are exploding, like it's already the middle of spring, and some areas are holding back a little bit. So, let's dive into these numbers and talk about it in some more detail. Oh, right. So, the list price to sales price ratio has bounced back from its lowest point in January and now back up to 97.5% and on a trajectory heading higher as I would normally expect in the spring. Absorption rates have been coming down since their peak in November and continue to decline. Remember, absorption rate is a measurement of how fast inventory is selling through the marketplace. So the lower the absorption rates, the faster homes are selling. And then I want to also point out we are up 14% on new listings this past month and 12% year to date. So we are getting new inventory into the marketplace. And then home price appreciation, we're averaging between 5 and 6% over the last month, and year to date about 7%. So as we look at the market so far this year, what I'm seeing is similar to what I mentioned just a second ago, and that is depends on the property and it depends on the suburb or the specific area that you're listing a home. Some parts of Columbus, it feels like we're in the middle of spring, and some parts are slightly reserved. I think it's by and large part due to the demand for that area, particularly surrounding the current rates. At a little bit over 7 in a higher price point, it might be harder for some buyers to jump off the sidelines, whereas in other areas, given the price points and given the nature of the school district or the market, we are seeing stronger demand. So it is really important to pay attention to your specific market. Don't just assume because it happened on the other side of the town, it's happening here or vice versa. But it's a strong market, and I expect to see even more demand going forward as the weather starts to improve this month. So that is your spring market update. We will see you on the next video.